Hello RCA parents and students. My name is Mr. Jesse Smith, and I am the Manufacturing and Computer Science teacher at Rockdale Career Academy. I graduated from Rockdale County High School and also attended the Magnet program. I went on to the University of Georgia where I obtained degrees in computer science and also workforce education. Your student is a member of my third year of my manufacturing pathway, which is called Production Enterprises. The concepts that will be covered this year are CNC machining, manufacturing processes, product prototyping, quality assurance, and also quality control. As being a member of my manufacturing pathway, students are encouraged to join Skills USA, which is our student organization. Students are able to compete in different competitions that deal with their career pathway. This fall, we will be virtual, and students will be meeting in a digital world. Students will be meeting using Microsoft Teams for video conferencing. They will gather their daily assignments using It's Learning, and I also have a website at www.rcamanufacturing.com where students will get supplemental materials. If you would like to reach out with any questions or concerns, or if you just want to reach out to make an introduction, you can email me at jessesmith@rockdale.k12.ga.us. I'm excited about this upcoming school year and having your student in my class. Thank you.